Good morning, my dear children. In today's video, we are going to do the book back exercise for the poem Once Upon a Time. Before getting into today's video, let us do a small recap of what we have learnt last week. We have learnt a poem Once Upon a Time. It was written by Jacqueline Shar. In that, we have seen a family. The family consists of 6 members, mommy and daddy, and 2 little boys and 2 little girls. They lived happily. They used to come together every evening and they would enjoy in the living room. They used to sing sweet songs. They dance and they would twirl. The family was very close. They cared each other and they shared their love among themselves. Then, as a conclusion, the poet gave few things that can make a family happy. Those are love between family members, that is loving each other, caring for each other, then communicating. Communicating is expressing your thoughts, then trusting each other, then sharing each other's joys and sorrows, that is being there for one another in times of trials and troubles. These are the things that can make a family happy. These are the points we have learnt from the poem. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood the poem. Now let us do the book back exercise. The first book back exercise is reading comprehension. In that, you have part A. Part A is tick the correct option. First question. The family in the poem is a dash. They have given you 3 options. You have to select a correct option. First one is rude family. Second one, loving family. Third one, joint family. Tell me which is the correct answer? Yeah, it's loving family. So the correct answer is the family in the poem is a loving family. Second one. The family members sing and dance in the dash. Bedroom, kitchen, living room. Where do they dance and sing? Yes, you are right. In the living room. So the correct answer is living room. The family members sing and dance in the living room. Third question. In a happy family, all members dash. Fight with each other, love and trust each other, do not talk to each other. Which is the right answer? Yes, love and trust each other. In a happy family, all members love and trust each other. That is the correct answer. Now let us do part B in the reading comprehension. That is, answer these questions. First question. What did the family do every night? What did the family do every night? Tell me, children. Yes, they would gather in the living room. They would dance, sing sweet songs there. Second question. How many members were there in the family? What is the answer? There were the parents and the 2 little boys and girls. Third question. Which line in the poem tells us that the family members cared for one another? Which line tells you that? Yeah, it's right. How close the family was. The love was great they shared. Do you remember those lines? Yes, those lines explains the family members were cared for one another. Okay, let us do part C now. Think and answer. First question. When do we need our family the most? When do you need your family to support you? In the time of troubles and trials, during your problems, right? Okay. Second question. According to the poet, what are the main things that can make a family happy? Do you agree with the poet? Why or why not? You should give the reason. We'll answer the first question now. According to the poet, what are the main things that can make a family happy? Tell me, what are the things we should do if your family should be happy? We should care for each other. We should communicate with each other. Then we should trust each other, and we should love each other. If we do all these things, our family will be happy. So, do you agree with the poet? Yes, I agree with the poet. Why? Because it is true that love and kindness, as well as sharing quality time with one another, make a family happy. Children, next is your vocabulary activity. Today we are going to look into pair words in English. In English, some words are paired together using and. See, in English, we have two words, and two words will be joined with and in between. For example, mommy and daddy, boy and girl, sing and dance. Now, shall we do the exercise given there? Look into part A. Now, look at the pictures and complete the pairs. We have to look into the pictures and identify the correct pair for the picture. Shall we do it? Yes. Are you all ready? First one. Knife and dash. Tell me, what is the correct answer? What is the correct pair for knife? Yeah, it's fork. Knife and fork. Second one, give a try. Bread and dash. Bread and butter. Third one, pen and dash. Pen and paper. Shoes and dash. You all know this. Tell me, what is the correct pair for socks? Shoes. Very good. Next one is soap and dash. Soap and what? Soap and water. The next picture is jacket. What is the pair word for jacket? Jacket and scarf. Once again, I'll repeat the answers. Knife and fork, bread and butter, pen and paper, socks and shoes, soap and water, jacket and scarf. Children, you have understood the pair words? Yes. Let me give you few more examples of pair words. Look into the screen. You have hot and cold, salt and pepper, sugar and spice, love and hate, stars and stripes, cat and mouse, hammer and nail, in and out, pen and paper, up and down, knife and fork, bat and ball, ham and eggs. Do you know what is ham? Ham is pig's meat. The next one, you and me, cat and mouse, milk and cookies. These are the few examples of pair words. You have another activity with pair words, that is match the columns. You have to match it correctly. You are going to do this now. Shall we do it? Yes. First one, risen, risen, fall, risen, fall. So the correct answer for first one is C. Second one, here and there. So the right answer for second one is there, D. Third one, ways and means. So the right answer is means, that is B. Fourth one, war and peace. So the right answer is peace, that is F. Fifth answer is law and order. So the correct answer is A, order. Sixth one, loud and clear. So the correct answer for sixth one is clear, that is H. Seventh one, forgive and forget. So the right answer for seventh one is E, forget. Eighth one, clean and tidy. So the right answer for eighth one is G, tidy. Once again, I'll repeat the answers. Rise and fall, here and there, ways and means, war and peace, law and order, loud and clear, forgive and forget, clean and tidy. Children, till now we have completed reading comprehension exercises and vocabulary exercises. Next we'll move on to writing comprehension. In that, this time you have paragraph writing. You all know what is a paragraph, right? Paragraph will have few sentences with complete meaning. In your paragraph, you can have 10 to 15 lines. They gave a sample paragraph using few words, and they have given you few words and ask you to write a new paragraph for it. Let me read the sample paragraph first. I love Sundays. I don't have to wake up early in the morning. I wake up around 8 a.m. and have breakfast with my parents and younger sister. Then I complete my homework so that I can watch TV for a couple of hours after lunch. In the evening, I go out to the park to play with my friends. I also help my father water the plants in our flower garden. After dinner, my sister and I play indoor games such as Ludo and Carrom. I love enjoying Sundays with my family and friends. This was the sample paragraph given in the textbook. Now what you have to do? They have given few words in the bracket. Use those words in your paragraph and write at least 10 to 15 lines. I am going to read those words for you. Love, tolerance, patience, selflessness, kindness, fun, understanding. Using these words, write a paragraph in a notebook. Then you have a word bank. In that, write the new words that you have learnt in this poem. We have learnt few new words in the poem. Do you remember? Like gather, trials and troubles, communicate. So write those words in your notebook as well. And that's all for today. Be happy and stay healthy. Thank you.